Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Mute token. Name of the token is Mute.io and ticker symbol is Mute according to this new token listing. It says this token is about to be listed tomorrow, December 20th on a central exchange, and we're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box, and let's get into this token. The Mute token. So the Mute token is going to be listed tomorrow, December 20th, 14 hours UTC time, on Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, you would just go right through that Mexc referral code down there, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search Mute, which is the ticker symbol, and then you'd simply just buy the token. It is that easy, and it is going to be in the spot trading pair innovation zone, December 20th, 14 hours UTC time. Mute is a Zkrollup based decentralized exchange with limit orders, farming platform, and bond platform built on Ethereum and Zksync. Now, according to Mexc Global, they have a total supply of 40 million tokens. Their official webpage is mute.io. This is an Ethereum token, I believe, here. Yeah, and they have their Etherscan listed on the Mexc Global announcement. So they have 3,264 holders already, 48,000 transfers, 18 decimal places. And on their Etherscan, you can find a contact email, Medium articles or blog articles, Twitter, Telegram, Discord, CoinGecko, and CoinMarketCap listing. Now, according to CoinMarketCap, they are up 5.79% today. Token price is 38 cents per token, 38.1 cents. And they probably are available. Yeah, you can get this token off of Uniswap if you wanted to, but I find Mexc Global has a lot lower fees, which is great in my books. So, what is Mute all about? Let me just click on this here. So, the Mute Switch. The Mute Switch is a Zkrollup DeFi platform built on Zksync v2. Invest and trade, earn yields, and participate in bonds, all in one decentralized, community-driven platform. Leverage the security of Ethereum without high gas fees. Features include automated market maker based DEX with limit orders, variable liquidity pool fees, 0.1% to 10% upon pair creation. Protocol fee is just 0.1%, 0% LP minting fee. 1 to 3 second settlements, 95% plus gas cost saving compared to Layer 1 Ethereum. Also has yield generation platform bond offerings and a DAO, which means that the token enables you voting rights in the platform. Now, skip down to the roadmap here. So they started with mainnet release in November 2022. So this is a very, very brand new project here. Then we got limit orders. So implement limit orders to allow traders to set the price they wish to initiate trades. Amplifier program, a liquidity reward protocol rolled out to incentivize high-value projects to provide liquidity on the switch. Initially, the Mute team will select the projects, but we envision subsequent decisions will fall to the DAO. So eventually, the community will be voting on which projects to to incentivize high value to and provide liquidity to. Porter additions implement ZK Porter for added privacy and significantly reduced gas fees versus Rollup. Porter brings much needed privacy to L2 and allows those with low capital to once again take advantage of DeFi. So NFT support is coming out as the second last thing. Develop NFT compatibility with added limit order functionality. There is no more need for price floors or bidding wars. Easily buy and sell your NFTs at the price you want. Investigate Porter shards. So initially Porter will be validated by Zksync Guardian Network. Still, there is an option to create our own shard, validated by Mute validators. Open up some powerful and exciting opportunities for the Mute ecosystem. A feasibility study will be carried out and findings will be passed on to the DAO for their consideration. Now, so you are going to be able to use this token in the Treasury wallet. You can use it for buyback and make. Protocol fees on the Mute switch will be 0.1%. The fees will help fund the Mute DAO initiatives such as buyback and makes, the amplifier program, and Mute bonds. Also can be used for governance, like I said earlier. Now, they have, let's see here, different ways. Oh, so they're on DEX tools as well, along with CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko as well. Now, their webpage here, you can enter the app on their webpage. Invest and trade, earn yields, and participate in bonds, all in one decentralized community platform. So that's what their app involves here. Usually on Mexc Global, they have some kind of events too that go along with tokens. Like, I'm not sure if they're going to have that. They'll probably announce that within the next couple days. They usually have some sort of buying event where you can earn the Mexc Global tokens, which are the MX tokens. And yeah, you can find the chart. So it says Mute is a token of Mute.io, which makes cryptocurrency and DeFi trading more accessible to the masses. So that's all it says on CoinMarketCap. You can also get this token off of CoinW and BKEX, and it's paired with USDT on both of those central exchanges as well. I've never used those central exchanges. They're kind of lower central exchanges, but Mexc Global is a great one. Very low fees. So like I said, check out that Mexc Global referral code where this token will be listed tomorrow, December 20th. Make sure you guys like this video. Subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the other referral codes as well. And let me know in the comment section, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.